you thought Mariah Carey's I Don't Know Her was the shadiest moment in pop culture history, honey, grab your popcorn because she just dropped the sequel, and this one is literally out of this world. We're talking rockets, zero gravity, and one very, very confused diva. Let's break down the moment Mariah Carey found out that Katy Perry became an astronaut. So picture this. The legendary Mariah Carey is doing an interview with the BBC's Scott Mills. Everything's going smoothly, probably talking about butterflies and diamonds. Then Scott casually asks, "Would you fancy going to space?" An innocent question, right? But then he drops the bomb. You know, like Katy Perry did. The silence that follows is so loud you could hear a pin drop from the International Space Station. What happens next is pure comedic gold. Mariah, with the genuine confusion of someone who just woke up from a 10-year nap, asks, "Did she go to space? Where'd she go?" You can practically see the loading icon spinning in her head. She's picturing Katy just floating around somewhere. "Into orbit and back?" she asks, as if Scott just told her that her dog learned to file its own taxes. This isn't shade, folks. This is a woman completely unplugged from the celebrity gossip matrix, and we are living for it. And while Mariah's trying to process this, we get these epic cinematic shots of what actually happened. We're talking the full James Bond villain experience. Katy Perry decked out in a Blue Origin jumpsuit on a fiery rocket launch. She's floating with her all-female crew, holding a daisy for her daughter Daisy, while looking down on our little blue planet. The contrast between Katy having this profound, life-changing experience and Mariah being like, "Wait, what?" is just priceless. Let's get into the details of this little space trip. Katy and her crew, which included Gayle King, took an 11-minute joyride to the edge of the atmosphere. The price tag? A cool $7 million was reported, which, let's be honest, is probably what Mariah spends on Christmas decorations. The mission was historic, an all-female flight making a statement about women taking up space. Literally. And Katy, ever the showwoman, even revealed her tour set list on a paper butterfly while in zero gravity. You can't make this stuff up. Of course, everyone immediately connected this moment to Mariah's iconic "I don't know her" comment about Jennifer Lopez. But this feels different. It's less like intentional shade and more like peak diva behavior. Mariah lives in her own fabulous glitter-filled world, and in that world, other pop stars apparently don't have time for space tourism. She's not being mean, she's just genuinely baffled that anyone would trade a plush recording studio for a cramped space capsule. The best part is how the story ends. After the host confirms it's all true, Mariah's brain finally catches up. Her reaction shifts to a slow, impressed, "Wow. All right, Katy, I'm not mad at her. That's pretty amazing." It's the ultimate diva seal of approval. And when Scott asks if she would ever do it, she gives the most Mariah answer in the history of answers. "I think I've done enough." Mic drop, queen. So there you have it. Only Mariah Carey could serve us a moment so blissfully unaware and yet so utterly fabulous. What do you think? Was this a genuine brain fart or the most subtle shade ever thrown? Let us know your theory in the comments below. And if you love hilarious breakdowns of iconic pop culture moments like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you never know who we'll be talking about next. Stay tuned.